justice for Rivers. As a winner! As a winner! Oh, Rivers State here! Rivers State here! It's up! It's up! Contrary to the belief of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that Wike delivered Rivers State to him. Even the Wike failed in his unit.
Yes, you know.
He failed in his work. Yes. And he failed in his LG.
Yes.
And we're also here to tell Ahmed Bola Tinubu that he should call Wike to order. Because the next time he comes into Rivers State to disturb the peaceful people of Rivers State, we are not going to sit down and fold our hands anymore. Please, the President of Nigeria, if you can tell please call on the ESCC and the DSS and the police to arrest the former governor of Rivers State, the now Minister of FCT, for defrauding the people of Ogoniland. Please, we want you to call Melekiari, the GMT, Wagel, and also Sahara. These are the people that released a whooping sum of $300 million for the settlement of the development of Ogoni people. But only one individual, yes, so is a 1 weekend, took the money and ran away. This is also a man that brought the director of Federal Inland Revenue and was cutting away 9 billion out of the 15 billion generated revenue of Rivers State people every month. Please tell him to return these funds back. This is one individual that has kept the state as if it's his private enterprise. And at the end of the day, he goes about bragging that the federal government is in his pocket, the judiciary is in his pocket, the presidency is in his pocket, the chief of staff is in his pocket, the security agencies are in his pocket. But let us tell him that Rivers State cannot be in his pocket. He said he procures every appointment with money. He can procure the appointment there with the money of Rivers State people, no problem. But let me also tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the people of Nigeria that this man, yes, is a 1 weekend, lies in advance. He's a serial liar. He's a demonic liar. He's a pathological liar. He's someone that is not consistent with anything, only lies. So please, we are tired of holding our hands. The next time any of these security operatives, especially London, have promised, they come into Rivers State again to start misbehaving. Anyone shot from them, we answer them 10 with our own. That's what we do. We defend ourselves and we defend our resources. Yes. Nobody should think that we are cowards. If Nyeso is a 1 weekend and does his Tangbolo and Ofunguru and many them and Oshisha them, think they have testicles, they should come to Rivers State again. And we'll show them what it means to hold Rivers State.
That's all. That's all.
So, Mr. President, you have won your Supreme Court case. Tell this retard of a man called yesterday 1 weekend that enough of this shenanigan. We are not going to take this anymore. No more will it be said of Rivers State again that one individual can come up to control Rivers State anymore. We are for Rivers and Rivers is for us.
That's our stand.
Rivers is for Rivers. Yes. So yes, there is a 1 weekend. I'm calling you out that if you're a man with those your Tangbolo, Ofunguru, Oshisha them, and the many them, come out to Rivers State.
We dare you.
I dare you I'm telling you, come out if you're a man. And also, we also want to tell those people that think that the overrating Yeso is the one Wike. Wike is nobody without the people of Rivers State.
Yes,
we gave him the glory and we have taken it back.
yes.
Rivers State is that a shame to Yeso is the one Wike. Yeso is the one Wike. Mr. President, call him and Barinada Ibigi with Dumene, Deko and Samuel Monosike. They are responsible for the murder of DPO Bako. I can attest to that fact. I'm not scared to attest to the fact. Let them call him. I will be there. And I will say more when we are before the DSS. Yes, there is a one weekend. You send people to tell me that I should wash my back. You wash your front because I will come for you. I will take the war to a city. I will bring you down. You cannot bring the people of Rivers State down. We will bring you down. We will bring the war to a city. If a city people cannot do anything to stop here, says the one weekend, come and bring us out. We will come there and bring him down. Let me start with Dakar. Let me start with Dakar. 2027, we are waiting. If you know you're a man, come out. And also want to thank the governor of Rivers State for not sacking the commissioners that Wike imposed on him. That on their own, after passing the wonderful budget for the people of Rivers State, their conscience told them to resign. We applaud them for a job well done. So thank you, the people of Rivers State. Tomorrow we also occupy Rivers State.
Slaves who are always happy in chains. In their chains they are happy. But if you go through the history, of Rivers State, if you go through the history of the evolution and the abolition of slavery worldwide, you will hear names from Rivers State. We are not slaves. We are not part of those slaves who are happy in their chains. I want to appreciate Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for telling the entire world and affirming that indeed one ingredient that can stop violent takeover of government, that can stop the violence of humans, is good governance. He preached it as the chair of the heads of government of the West African nations. We employ him to preach them in his own country. You cannot sell what you don't have.
True.
We cannot become laughing stock in the Committee of Nations in the West African sub-region. I am a member of the ECOWAS Parliament, and I know that we deserve to have that respect, and he has preached it. If there has to be good governance, Rivers State is a test case. Good governance hinges on the respect for the rule of law. Some persons that were elected has offered to vacate their seats. That is what the law says. A lawmaker should not be seen to be breaking the laws. They should be man enough. They should be courageous enough to pack their things out of the official quarters allocated to members of the Rivers State House of Assembly.
Yes, sir. That's right.
They are no longer members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. And they should stop being in contempt of court. The court has so declared, and on their own volition, they have abandoned the responsibilities given to them. They should leave. As you stand here, go back home and begin to select those who will represent you in the House of Assembly. I have somebody who was supposed to be representing me, and I saw him shamelessly said he signed for impeachment of the governor given to us by God.
Without any reason.
What is he impeaching SYMFONI for?
Financial structure.
Is it that the road that I will drive to my community should not be done? That is why he wants to impeach SYMFONI. Is it the fact that for 8 good years, not even a toilet was commissioned in the name of River State government in Andoni?
24 on that 24 years.
In the life of this immediate past, 8 good years, not even a toilet was commissioned, and the pride is I have done everything in all the local government areas. I challenge anyone to come and tell me what was done in Andoni. Less than 6 months, we are having a good road to the headquarters of Andoni local government area, and somebody that we elected to represent us is telling us that he wants to impeach that governor. Can that ever work? No! Can it ever work?
No! Don't punish him already.
So we have just sent a message to the president. Entrench good governance and begin from River State.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want to tell the Inspector General of Police again. I raised my voice on the floor of the National Assembly to condemn the attempted assassination of His Excellency the Governor of River State. Yes. And the Inspector General told me it was fake news. He told me it was fake news. How can an Inspector General of Police tell me that it is fake news, something that was watched live all over the world? We will forgive him. We will forgive him. Because I would have said that a character like that is not qualified for that position, but we are forgiving him. It should not happen again. It should not happen again. Democracy has long been defined as government of the people for the people. The governance as led by SYMFONI is for Rivers people. Any other person or group of persons parading whatever, they are not sent by us. Did they consult you? No. Have they been able to tell us his crime? No. I heard that they said when they were planning or when they came to the floor, they should have called somebody to say, see, Oga, they want to impeach me.
That you are God.
Is that how it is done?
No.
Has it ever been done that way? No. Can it be tolerated?
No.
Men of good conscience are very few, but they command respect. Men of good conscience are those who can liberate themselves and their people. And the time for the liberation of River State is now. This is the time for the liberation of River State. If you have never spoken up before, this is the time you can speak up. God on our side. God on our side. The victory is already won. We want to thank again great men who have been able to stand firm to condemn evil. I salute the courage of His Majesty Sergeant Awuse and the entire traditional rulers of River State for standing up to be counted when it mattered the most, for telling us that indeed everyone should stand with, walk with, queue behind His Excellency the Governor of River State. Any other person that is fomenting trouble anywhere is advised to do what? To raise his case. I want to commend our leader in the John Nation, Pa Edwin Clark, for lending his voice towards the liberation of River State. Such voices were heard that clamored for the creation of River State in 1967. I commend His Excellency, President, former Goodluck Jonathan, and the wife for standing by us, for standing by the truth. I also commend our father, Chief Rufus Ada George. He has been governor of this state, even when he was bigger and larger than this, and he has spoken truth to us. Our sister, Aunt Kyo Briggs, we have not forgotten that you have also spoken and you are standing with us. If I have not been able to mention your name, know that we are with you and we recognize you. We have not forgotten our brother, Asari Dokubo, who has explicitly said to the world what the implication of this this dance would be. Our father, the architect of the modern River State political structure, Sir Dr. Peter Dele, we salute you. We salute you. We salute you. Our brothers on the other side, who are also sharing the same blood with us, we thank you for giving us the courage. Our brother government, we encourage you. We thank you. Above all, I want to salute and thank everyone from River State. I thank the people of River State. I thank the youth of River State. This is your time. And you have been able to prove to the world that indeed this is your time. Do not let it slip off your hands. I thank the women of River State for coming out in their numbers. From 2014, you have always been in the vanguard. You have been at the front corner of this struggle for a new River State. The membership and leadership of the Ijo Youth Council, I commend you. The Ogoni Youth Federation, I commend you. The Ikwere, I commend you.